Digital twins. We have seen the previous concept of cold chain monitoring with IoT and AI, and now let's talk about another fascinating and highly impactful technology known as digital twins. Imagine a global logistics company like DHL or a manufacturing giant like Siemens, trying to optimize operations across warehouses, factories, and transportation networks. They need a way to visualize, simulate, and predict the behavior of their complex systems without affecting real-world operations. This is where digital twins come into play. So, what exactly is a digital twin? In simple words, a digital twin is like a mirror image of a real object, but it lives inside a computer. It is a virtual copy of something physical, such as a machine, a warehouse, or even a whole supply chain. What makes it special is that this copy is always connected to the real one, and it gets updated with live data through sensors and the internet. For example, think of a wind turbine. On the ground, you have the real turbine spinning in the wind. In the computer, you have its digital twin. As the turbine rotates, sensors send information like speed, temperature, or vibrations to the digital model. This lets engineers sitting far away see exactly how the turbine is performing, detect if something might break soon, and even test what-if scenarios without touching the real machine. The idea of digital twins started in aerospace in the early 2000s, where NASA used them to monitor spacecraft. Today, thanks to IoT, AI, and cloud computing, digital twins are everywhere, in factories, warehouses, and even cities. They help businesses reduce downtime, save money, and make smarter decisions with less risk. Let's understand how digital twins work step by step. Our first type is data collection. Sensors and IoT devices capture real-time information from the physical system, whether it is a machine in a factory, a refrigerated truck, or a warehouse storage system. Our next type is digital model creation, where this data is fed into a virtual model representing the physical entity, including its structure, processes, and operational parameters. The third type is simulation and analysis, where AI algorithms simulate different scenarios, predict performance issues, or test operational changes without affecting the real system. Finally, decision and action involves using the insights from the digital twin to optimize performance, prevent failures, or adjust supply chain operations. The uses of digital twins are vast and transformative. One major use is in manufacturing, where companies can simulate production lines to optimize throughput, reduce downtime, and improve maintenance schedules. Another is in supply chain and logistics, where digital twins of warehouses and transportation networks help optimize inventory placement, route planning, and demand forecasting. A third use is in product lifecycle management, allowing businesses to test design changes virtually before deploying them to real products, reducing costs and development time. A top real-life case study is UPS, which faced challenges with route inefficiencies and unexpected delays in its logistics network. In 2021, UPS implemented digital twins across its distribution hubs and delivery fleet, integrating real-time IoT data with AI-powered simulations. They created a virtual replica of their operations that allowed planners to test different delivery routes, optimize warehouse layouts, and predict maintenance needs for vehicles. As a result, UPS reported a 10% improvement in delivery efficiency, a 15% reduction in fuel costs, and better predictive maintenance, significantly enhancing overall operational reliability. So, in a nutshell, we simply seen that digital twins are virtual replicas that bridge the physical and digital worlds, enabling businesses to simulate, predict, and optimize their operations with real-time insights. Hopefully you like this concept because it demonstrates how leveraging virtual models can drastically reduce operational risks, improve decision-making, and drive efficiency across manufacturing, supply chain, and logistics. That's an amazing learning I believe you have today, and a clear example of how the future of digital transformation in business is evolving with technologies like digital twins.